If you want to remove a payment method from your Instacart account, follow these simple steps to ensure your payment information is updated. Step 1. Open the Instacart app or website. Launch the Instacart app on your mobile device or visit the Instacart website on your computer. Log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the app or website. Step 3. Go to Payment Method. In the Account Settings menu, look for the section labeled Payment Methods or Payment Information. Click on it to view all the payment methods linked to your account. Step 4. Select the payment method to remove. Find a payment method you wish to remove. There should be an option to edit or delete this payment method. Click on the appropriate option. Step 5. Confirm removal. You will likely be prompted to confirm your decision to remove the payment method. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the removal process. After completing these steps, your selected payment method will be removed from your Instacart account. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Instacart's customer support for assistance.